Hey Tech Explorers, want to copy text in QWEN 2.5 but don't know how? Don't worry, I've got you covered in just few steps. Let's get you copying text in no time. First, open the QWEN 2.5 chat screen. Now find the text you want to copy. It could be something you have just received or something you have written before. Once you have found the text, go ahead and select it. You'll notice when you place your cursor on the text, a little copy icon will appear. Tap on that copy icon and boom, your text is copied. Now you can paste it wherever you like. By the way, have you used this copy feature before? What do you usually copy? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have just copied text in QWEN 2.5. Easy as that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment about your favorite text feature. See you next time.